Today's the last day I drive the LS BRZ.
What's going on, guys? Today is a very sad day. I'm here to announce that the car is officially for sale and there is a buyer interested in it. So this car will no longer be a part of mine soon. So it's been a fun run, but I'm looking to get something different. I don't know what, but something different. I love this car to death. I love the power, I love the sound, I love the look, I love everything about it, but just something, it's weird because when you're driving it, visually you see a BRZ. You see the Subaru steering wheel, you see that Subaru head unit, everything says BRZ. You hear it and it's just bald eagles out the back of it, which to me, at the same time, is cool as hell. I don't know, it feels wrong, you know? So the car is officially for sale. By the end of the month, I think it will be gone. The engine came from a 2012 C6 Corvette, makes about 550 horsepower, has a Texas Speed 416 stroker kit, comp cams, just a bunch of crap. As far as transmission, it has a CD009. We put the 373 gears in it, so it's a little bit longer than normal, but it's still pretty quick shifting. As far as interior, it's pretty stock. I got the stock head unit, stock radio in it, and we have the stock seats in it. So as far as interior, it is pretty much stock except for the shifter. The shifter is what gives it away completely. But with the hood shut and without the VMS wheels, it looks pretty standard. It just looks like a stock BRZ with a fat Tomei exhaust on it. If you don't know the story with the car, I originally had a 1996 Mitsubishi Evo 4, which was a great car, but I hated that car. I hated that car to death. Getting parts for it was absolutely impossible. It was so stressing to get parts for the car. To even just get a rear bumper for the Evo 4, you had to get it shipped overseas if you could find one, because everything for the Mitsubishi Evo is discontinued, at least for the 1996 model. If you want a badge, if you want a bumper, if you want a trunk, if you want a taillight, you'll have to outsource that, used from a parts distributor in overseas that doesn't even speak English. So owning that car had its ups and downs, like how unique it was, but God, it was such a headache. When I got offered to trade it for an LS3 powered BRZ, I took it and I ran with it, because this car is absolutely awesome and nothing has given me absolutely zero issues besides a dead battery. But like, this car is just freaking sweet, dude. And this will probably be the coolest car I've ever owned. Nothing will ever top this, in my opinion. So with that, let's get to washing it. It's pretty dirty, so I gotta get it washed up for the new buyer.
Today is a sad day. Today's the last day I drive the LS BRZ. So we're gonna give it a nice cold start. Damn, it's gone. I don't know how I feel.